Discover the fascinating process of sausage making, from farm to factory. See how traditional techniques and modern technology unite to create the delicious sausages we all love. The journey of sausage making starts on the farm, where livestock like pigs, cattle, and poultry are raised. Farmers focus on providing a balanced diet and a healthy environment to ensure the animals grow strong and healthy. This stage sets the foundation for high-quality meat, which is key to making great sausages. Proper care and nutrition ensure the livestock produce meat with the right texture and flavor needed for sausage production. Once the livestock reach the desired size, they are humanely harvested. This process is carefully managed to ensure the quality and safety of the meat. Specialized facilities handle the livestock with care, following strict regulations to maintain hygiene and animal welfare. The harvested meat is then quickly transported to the processing factory to preserve its freshness and quality, ready for the next steps in the sausage-making process. At the factory, the first step is a thorough inspection of the meat. This ensures that only high-quality, safe meat is used in sausage production. Inspectors check for any signs of disease, contamination, or imperfections. Any meat that doesn't meet the standards is removed from the production line. This inspection step is crucial for maintaining the safety and quality of the final product, ensuring that only the best meat moves forward in the process. The inspected meat is then cut into smaller pieces and ground to the desired consistency. Industrial grinders are used to achieve a uniform texture, which is important for the consistency of the sausages. The grinding process can be adjusted to create different textures, from coarse to fine, depending on the type of sausage being made. This step prepares the meat for mixing with other ingredients, ensuring a smooth blend. Next, the ground meat is mixed with various ingredients, including spices, herbs, and seasonings. The blend of ingredients depends on the type of sausage being produced, whether it's a spicy chorizo or a mild breakfast sausage. The ingredients are thoroughly mixed to ensure an even distribution of flavors throughout the meat. This stage is where the unique taste profiles of different sausages are created, adding depth and complexity to the final product. For certain types of sausages, the meat mixture is emulsified to achieve a smooth, homogeneous texture. Emulsification involves combining the meat with fat and water in high-speed mixers. This process binds the ingredients together, creating a consistent and smooth mixture that's ideal for sausages like hot dogs and bologna. The emulsified meat is then ready for the next stage, stuffing into casings. The meat mixture is then stuffed into casings, which can be natural or synthetic. Specialized machines are used to fill the casings evenly, ensuring that the sausages have a consistent size and shape. The casings help protect the meat during cooking and add to the sausage's overall texture. This step is crucial for forming the sausages and preparing them for linking and cutting. After stuffing, the sausages are linked and cut to the desired length. This process can be done manually or with automated machines depending on the production scale. Linking involves twisting the casings at regular intervals to create individual sausages. The linked sausages are then cut and prepared for cooking. This step ensures that each sausage is uniform in size and shape, ready for the next stages. The sausages are then cooked to ensure they are safe to eat and to develop their flavors. The cooking process can vary, including methods like boiling, steaming, or baking. The goal is to cook the sausages thoroughly without drying them out. Proper cooking helps lock in the flavors and juices, making the sausages tasty and ready for smoking or further processing. For smoked sausages, the next step is to add a rich, smoky flavor. The sausages are placed in smoking chambers where they are exposed to smoke from burning wood chips. The type of wood used can influence the flavor, adding depth and complexity to the sausages. Smoking also helps preserve the sausages, enhancing their shelf life. This step imparts a distinctive taste that many sausage lovers enjoy. After the cooking and smoking processes, the sausages undergo a crucial cooling and drying phase. This step is vital for setting the texture of the sausages and preparing them for packaging. Cooling is performed quickly using advanced cooling systems to rapidly reduce the temperature of the sausages, preventing bacterial growth and preserving their freshness. This rapid cooling process ensures that the sausages remain safe for consumption and retain their optimal quality. Simultaneously, the sausages are dried to remove any excess moisture. Proper drying is essential as it helps in achieving the desired texture and enhances the flavor profile of the sausages. Removing excess moisture also contributes to extending the shelf life of the product, making it more durable and less prone to spoilage. The combination of efficient cooling and thorough drying ensures that the sausages maintain their high-quality standards. These processes are meticulously controlled to guarantee consistency and safety across all batches. Once the sausages are adequately cooled and dried, they are subjected to a final inspection to ensure they meet all quality criteria. With the cooling and drying completed, the sausages are now ready for the subsequent steps of inspection and packaging, ensuring they reach consumers in perfect condition. Quality control is conducted at every stage to ensure the sausages meet safety and quality standards. Inspectors check the sausages for consistency in size, shape, and flavor. Microbial testing is done to ensure the sausages are free from harmful bacteria. Any sausages that do not meet the quality criteria are removed from the production line. This rigorous inspection ensures that only the best sausages make it to the packaging stage. Once the sausages are fully prepared, the next crucial step is packaging to maintain their freshness and flavor. The sausages are vacuum sealed or packed in airtight containers. This method prevents contamination, preserves the quality of the meat, and extends the product's shelf life. Each package is meticulously labeled, providing essential information about the ingredients, nutritional content, and expiration date, ensuring transparency and safety for consumers. Advanced packaging technology is employed to ensure that the sausages are handled with care. The vacuum sealing process removes air from the packaging, which helps in preventing spoilage and maintaining the sausage's optimal condition. Additionally, airtight containers protect the sausages from external factors like moisture and bacteria, further ensuring their longevity and safety. After packaging, the sausages are placed in temperature-controlled storage environments. These conditions are meticulously maintained to keep the sausages at the ideal temperature, preventing any degradation in quality. Proper storage is essential before the sausages are ready to be distributed. Finally, the carefully packaged sausages are prepared for shipping. Efficient logistics ensure that they reach retailers in perfect condition, allowing consumers to enjoy high-quality, fresh sausages. From factory to table, every step of the packaging process is designed to deliver the best possible product to the market. Finally, the packaged sausages are shipped to markets, grocery stores, and restaurants. Efficient logistics ensure that the sausages reach their destination quickly and in perfect condition. Temperature-controlled transport helps maintain the quality and freshness of the sausages during transit. From the factory to your table, every step is carefully managed to deliver delicious, high-quality sausages to consumers around the world. So there you have it, the fascinating journey from select cuts of meat to the savory sausages we all love. If you want to explore more exciting stories and innovative ways in beverage and food production, watch our next video.